Alright, so it's all back together, and actually it's better than I thought. It can read the tapes from his brother, no problem. So this is a quick 40 or DC2000 tape. Should be able to read a catalog from it. There you go. It has a nice working tape, and so this one is full of fun thing. Play the slot machine. Load slot. Go, run. No explanations, you know how to play slot machine. Alright, fully functional. Let's pull, just see if I win something. The lemon, a cucumber, and a bell. No, nothing. So let's see what else we have. Load maze. So fairly long one, so we'll see if you can read the whole darn thing. So it's at the other end of the tape. We'll see if he finds it. And it's a long program, see if you can read the whole darn thing. Seems to be going fine so far. Yeah? Run! Need instruction. Nah, don't need instruction to make a maze. Let's make a 6 by 8 maze. See what happens. It's not the fastest of machines. There you go. Here's my maze. Alright, what do we want to do? We want to copy it. And prints. So we had an HP85 that reads the tapes and can print silly stuff. Very good.